car pack has landed.
Right, so I've just got this huge bale from Syed Vintage. I ordered it on Black Friday sale for £54. It must have at least 30 kg of clothes in here. I could barely carry it. There's defo going to be at least 10 good things in here. Even if there is only 10 good things, I'm going to make my money back. I only paid £54 for it, so pretty much anything is going to be a win. So let's unbag it. I'm well gassed to see what's inside here. Don't quite know how I'm going to open this. I'm not going to lie, I'm a little scared to open it. I've just got the top bit undone. I don't know if you can see it. It's like a brick. I'll try and lift it up, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to. You can see it's like a solid brick of clothes. It's hard to actually pull anything out. I've just popped off the first two of these like plastic things so I can actually get into the bale. It's so tightly packed, so I can't get over how tightly packed it is. But well, the first thing I pulled out ain't been very promising. It's got all like marks and that on it. Don't get me wrong, they'll probably come out in the wash. Not the most promising start out of everything. I've managed to cut my finger. How have I done this? Now I'm not bleeding out anymore. Let's keep going. But this second thing, quite sick. I think it's like a Maine. That's somewhere in America, isn't it? Maine, but like a college kind of jacket thing. Quite sick. I think that could definitely be worth it. Right, not a clue what this is. It's like a turtleneck, but like with drawstrings. It's so tightly packed I can't actually get to none of it, so I'm gonna have to keep popping off more of the little plastic things to actually get into it. Oh my god. Oh, it's all gonna fall apart now. It's all gone wrong. Timberland. First like designer bit we got so far. Timberland quarters it. Size large. This could be worth something. Not too sure. Oh, my finger's bleeding again. What? I've got a Portland like arm print thing. The print looks pretty mashed though. Like pretty mashed to the point of I don't think you're ever going to get that back. Doesn't look cracked though, so actually it might be alright. And then it says City of Roses on the front. Might actually keep this, to be fair. Another Fruit of the Loom, just blank. Don't want that. There are some questionable things in here. Like that, what is that? I think this could definitely sell for something. Not a bit of me, but someone will definitely like it. Nice little graphic on the front. Probably have to wash it first though, get out some of the creases. That's definitely a keep though. Interesting, like stripe. It's got a big cut through the back. Not so interesting anymore. I was interested in this one though because it's got like a it might be Hugo Boss. Yeah, Hugo Boss, size large, like fleece. Got a nice embossed print on the back. I don't know if you can see it, it's black on black, but that's sick. I think that could definitely sell for something. Oh, another college jumper. Or just another jumper. Ah, this is sick. The print is slightly cracked, but that's not the end of the world. Cowboys Super Bowl. So this could actually be worth something. Extra large. That'll be going on my Depop. Another quarter zip that's got quite a sick like embossed thing on it. Central Catholic Choir. Someone who used to be in a choir used to own this, but I'll take it. That could be definitely worth something on Depop. My battery on my camera just died, but I didn't look for any more of this stuff. So let's keep going. Hopefully we get some more bits like we have already. So we've got some nice bits so far. Nursing school like jacket thing. Gonna keep it though, be worth keeping 100%. That blue jacket I was looking at, very disappointing now actually looking at it. I thought it was gonna be something interesting. I don't even think that'd be worth keeping. That's just another throw on the dead pile. Funny looking jumpers. God, these are tiny. Some like company jacket thing, long gland wood industry something or other. I'm gonna keep anything that's got like print on it, like because I think anything with print on it will be worth keeping or just looking at after. Another like college thing, really wide neck. This looks like it like sits on your shoulders, but this could be worth something. I'll keep this. Old Navy quarter zip. This could be worth something. This will be worth keeping. Don't know what the tags are. Old Navy. Don't really know what Old Navy is. I feel like that's actually a brand, not just like a Fruit of the Loom kind of thing. I couldn't tell you though, but defo keep it. Bit questionable this one. Defo ain't gonna keep that. Bit of a weird design. A Hollister jumper. Don't think it'll be worth anything. I'll put it in the keep pile though, definitely, just in case. Not a clue what this label even says. It looks very foreign, but it's got like a little embroidered stamp on it. I doubt it'd be worth anything. I'll put it in the keep pile though and have a look later. That couldn't have gone any worse. I've got another college jumper. It says Fishers Tigers on it. FSH, defo worth keeping. Anything college jumper related, no matter what size or anything, it's defo worth keeping. This looks quite sick. Jesus is our hope. Nice, a church one. like a church jumper. Oh, not so nice. It's got like blue ink stains on it. I doubt I'll be able to get them out. Worth a go though. Legoland, Legoland thing. This could be defo worth something. Little Lego print on the front, little Legoland print on there. That would definitely be worth keeping. That could be worth a nice bit. Oh, it's all gonna fall again, don't. Legends Golf Country Club could be worth keeping. I'll keep it, might as well. A Christmas jumper with like a reindeer in like snowflakes on it. Don't think it will be worth anything. I'll put it in the keep pile just to have a look at the end. Kimberly Clark Woodland. Don't know if Kimberly Clark's a person or that's the place. Definitely not going to be keeping that. There's some dirty stains down the front of that. I think that's unsavable. Pacer, thought it said Palace, got a little excited. Thought I was going to get like a 10/10 Palace jacket, obviously not. Someone spent $6 on this somewhere, the tag says. Wouldn't spend $6 myself. But a dance quarters it, I'll keep it, but who knows. I was interested in this when I could see it at the bottom. It's like an all over print cowboy thing. Not really too sure, but I think that would be worth keeping just for the fact that it's an all over print. There's a bit of like yellowing around the neck, so I don't know if that will actually make it to Depop, but worth keeping. Some owl on the front of this top. It's done by an artist though, couldn't tell you the name, it's a bit faded out, but I think this will be worth keeping just because it's got a print on it. 1981 like jacket style thing. It looks quite big though. Oh, it's a Guess one, size medium. That could definitely be worth something. That's definitely worth keeping. Hugo Boss quarter zip. This would definitely be worth keeping. Don't know the value on it. Maybe only £15, but £15 more than I had. Feeler light. I thought it was mashed. I thought the arms had been cut off, but no, it's like a feeler body warmer type thing. Not a clue. Never really seen anything like this, but it's got a little embroidered feeler thing on it. Defo worth keeping just because it's feeler. Fruit of the Loom printed jacket, family branch in Northampton. I think a lot of this stuff's American, so it's quite sick really, considering how has this ended up with me. Like, where has this come from, and now it's with me. I think that's just nuts. I now know why it's so heavy at the start. I found this 45 kg tag at the bottom. For 45 kgs for £54, that ain't bad, considering when I went to the pre-loved sale I bought 8 kg for like £115. And the last thing out of everything, I don't think that'll be worth anything. So I'm now at the end of the bale. I think that was quite sick. It was quite interesting to see what I'd actually get. I don't know if I'll do this again. I think it depends how much everything kind of sells for. I don't know what the kind of value I'm going to be able to get out of all of this. I think, don't get me wrong, I'll definitely make my money back, but I don't know if I'm going to make too much more. In one of my next videos, I'll be going through all of the stuff that I actually kept, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's been washed and ironed and looks a bit more presentable. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. There's going to be loads more of just these unbagging videos hopefully coming soon. I'll obviously be the video I just said about of going through all these clothes. There'll be more custom videos, more Depop videos, and just loads more content in general every Thursday and Saturday at 5 PM. But please like, subscribe and comment down below videos you'd like to see in the future.